Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. WhatsApp has finally rolled out the dark mode to the beta users. So in this video, let's check out how to get this dark mode for all the users. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. So okay guys, to get started, so if you are a beta user, you might have already got this update yesterday or today. So if you are not a beta user, just head over to APK Mirror and search for WhatsApp. So you will be able to find out the latest update, that is 2.20.13 beta. Just scroll down to download it. You can just scroll down, click on see available APK and just click on the latest available APK. Then to download it, just again scroll down and you will be able to see an option called download APK. Just simply tap on it and your download will start. So it will be of size 37.52 MB. Just download it. Then once the download is complete, just head over to your file manager and you will be able to see the APK there. Just click on install and you don't have to clear data or anything, because this is just an update to your existing WhatsApp and it will just update. And you can, once the update is done, you can just click on open. Okay, the installing part is done and there you go. Like, you don't have to clear data or anything, it just installed as an update. So as you can see here, if you go to the help, the version is 2.20.13. So to enable the dark mode, just go to media, then chats. You will be able to see, choose theme, that is dark mode. There you go, your WhatsApp has completely turned out black. So if you're a fan of dark mode, you can simply give it a try, or if you still want to wait for the official update, you can wait. I think already users like Oppo users and Realme users might have already got this dark mode with their official Android 10 update. So if you're not a Oppo or any other like phones which already supported the dark mode, you can simply give it a try before the official rollout. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time we meet, bye bye.